Lwahle Mseleku, he introduced his girlfriend Kwezi to his mother Macele on Izingane Zesithembu season 9. He says Kwezi is pregnant with his child. So Macele, she asked to have a DNA test to confirm that child is Lwahle's child. And on Izingane Zesithembu season 4, they had a DNA test. That child was already be born, and it confirmed that it's 0%. It means that child is not Lwahle's child. But Kwezi, she denied. She says it goes wrong. She wants to repeat to have a DNA test to another doctor. Kwezi, if she truly knows that she sleep with Lwahle only, or I don't understand what's going on. Even last time, Lwahle have a DNA test with another girl, and that child was not Lwahle's child. And now it comes again 0%. I don't understand what's going on. But Kwezi, she have to tell Lwahle the truth. What I saw to Lwahle is very soft. That girls, they are lying to him. I don't understand. Either she is lying or either she is not lying, because Kwezi, she is the only person who knows the truth. If she truly says it goes wrong, she want to have another DNA test, or maybe they want attention on people on social media, because Lwahle gives people attention about to lie about DNA test. You know that Msamseleku, he is a content creator. They can change the DNA test. They want to know how Kwezi she is going to react, because Msamseleku want people to have more attention on Izingane Zesithembu, because he wants to grow big the way he did on Makwela to marry the 50th wife because of the attention. They can do the same or to lie to say it's 0%. While Lwahle, he is not angry. What I saw, Lwahle, he was not shocked that child is 0%, or to ask, because you know that men, they became angry, especially a woman who lied to you that she is pregnant with your child and the results came 0%. And you are not shocked, because even Kwezi was asking Lwahle that you don't have balls, what. Guys, I don't understand the way they are trying to do that show, to produce that show. That Kwezi says, I want to have another DNA test. I don't understand what's going on, or it goes wrong, because other people, they say the DNA test sometimes can come 0%, because even Lwahle is the father of the child. Sometimes the blood can match the mother of the child. It can happen sometimes. We don't understand, but what I saw, they try to make content, but maybe it's Lwahle's child, because we saw Lwahle, he was proposing to Kwezi. You saw that video, Lwahle was proposing to Kwezi. Guys, a man can't propose to you, you lie to him that it's his child all the time, and he want to marry you, to move forward and marry you. It doesn't make any sense, guys, what I saw on Izingane Zesithembu, because Msamseleku can do, guys, Msamseleku can do anything to have attention, because those people are people who have got more attention on social media, everywhere, on television. Is Uthando Nesithembu, Izingane Zesithembu. Msamseleku, if you want to grow on that program, or to say Izingane Zesithembu, you have to move to another level, you have to have drama, because Msamseleku saw that if that program doesn't have drama, they cannot move forward or to have more money, because people, they want to watch. Why they came first with DNA on Izingane Zesithembu episode 1. Episode 1 is boom, DNA 0. They want to start on DNA, and when they came episode 2, episode 3, everyone is going to pay attention to see what's going on. It's about the views, guys, what I saw to them. Because even Lwahle was not shocked that is 0%, or they want to trap us. They will bring 0%. They have got 99.9%. They have got those results. Msamseleku can tell the doctor that yes, it's Lwahle's child, bring these results. and print another results to say it's 0% because you want to create content. Musamseleku can do that, guys, because of content, but you don't know what's going on behind the cameras.